What's up, guys? Good to see you. Unfortunately, we are not going to be vlogging today. I tried several times to pick up the camera, but unfortunately life got very real for Carly and I and Paxton today. So I'll just jump right into it and explain the situation. I feel comfortable sharing this with you guys because you are like family, and I appreciate your support. So we took Paxton to a regular routine doctor's checkup. It was with a new physician. Carly liked the physician a lot, and when she was examining Paxton's mouth, she realized that he does not have a uvula. If you're not sure what a uvula is, it's this, the little punching bag in the back of your throat. The doctor was extremely alarmed immediately. I guess the instances is very low. And so she referred us to see a specialist immediately, an ear, nose, and throat specialist. It could be soft cleft palate. Looking at the back of his throat is scary. And for us, it was an extreme shock because we've taken him to so many doctor's appointments, checkups. He's been to the dentist. He's had a dentist look in his mouth. How can you not realize that he doesn't have a uvula? I mean, it's just crazy. I don't even know what to think. We've struggled a lot with Paxton. He had colic in the beginning, and he's just kind of always been a fussy baby, and this might be the reason why. Carly is obviously a mess. She feels guilty because she never realized it. I never realized it. I've looked in the back of his mouth. I've looked in his mouth a lot, like when we expect, like when he's got teeth coming in. I guess it's easy to pass up, and I'm not blaming any doctors or anything like that. It's just like, holy cow. Unbelievable. So I'm not really sure. Carly's kind of jumped down the rabbit hole of Google searching soft cleft palate and things like that, and it seems like surgery might be in Paxton's future. I don't know. I'm trying not to jump to any conclusions. I'm trying to stay positive. But so the war on sugar continues for me today. You guys are just gonna have to trust me that I will not be eating any sugar whatsoever. Things have been going really well. I've been feeling awesome. Just kind of weird off day today. And that happens, guys. You know, it's always interesting when you set out on a journey what kind of unexpected challenges, obstacles you will face. That's just life, but I promise you guys, we will conquer, we will persevere. Everything will be good. This will not stop me. Tomorrow the vlog will be even better. So again, guys, I apologize for kind of not bringing you into my life today. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to vlog. I just couldn't do it, but I'm sure you understand. As always, guys, much love.